The study pane is the best place to open up any of the icons on the right. The reference tab opens up the second defaulted Bible translation. Notes for the passage in the reading pane can be added by clicking on the Notes tab. A simple Word document will open which will let you add text, paste, or format with the icons at the top. Make sure you save your changes before clicking to a different passage. The Explore Passage feature allows you to go more in depth using the Treasury of Scripture Knowledge, commentaries, Bibles, or New Testament Greek if you're in the New Testament. The Treasury of Scripture Knowledge allows for related verses to be explored. Commentaries and Bibles will bring up the defaulted titles we said earlier. The New Testament Greek shows the interlinear Bible for the passage you're in and will also show an individual list of Greek words that you can explore. The Explore word is a new feature for Biblesoft products. This allows you to type in an English word and see the Strong's Greek translation as well as the related verses. The graph line plots out how the Greek word is used by Bible book and how often it appears in the Textus Receptus and the King James Version. You can also get a better idea of how the word was used for each different situation. Clicking on a word will separate the associated part of the pie graph, allowing for easy recognition. If you click on a word, you will also get the Erasmian and modern auto pronunciations along with convenient search. If you scroll down a little ways, then you can see how often each word occurs and in which Bible books. There are also related verses found for each available word. To quickly look at what the verse says, click on the down arrow key and the verse will appear. Our maps are powered by Google Maps and let you place ancient biblical locations on modern-day borders. Maps can be synced up with a verse, which we went over in our last video. And if you want to calculate the distance between two places, you can click on one and then click on the other, and the distance will appear in a window above the line. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and from everyone here at Biblesoft, we hope you enjoy our new app.